Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp backup from iCloud. Go to your iPhone settings app and now tap on your Apple ID and here tap on iCloud, and here you'll find the saved to iCloud option. Just tap on see all and here you will find all apps that are backed up in your iCloud account. Scroll down and just search for WhatsApp here, and here we can see the WhatsApp. Now to delete WhatsApp backup from your iCloud, just disable WhatsApp option and that's it. You have successfully turned off and deleted your WhatsApp backups from your iCloud. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.